Today at ASM Auto, we give you yet another way to cut through metal. Milwaukee's brand new M12 bandsaw. Part number 252920. All right, let's do this one more time. Hopefully this gives you a better view. Now, when it comes to operating this bad boy, it couldn't be easier. Basically, you just take this lever here, you open that up, you take these slides, you open those up, and that allows you to open this up and basically change your blade right there. Now, it does require a little bit of, especially when you got a new blade, it requires a little bit of persuasion to get it in between the rollers, and you want to make sure it's fully seated, or you could cause damage to the tool or to the blade itself. Also has it's got an LED light which lights up your workspace. This is about it gives you about 2.5 inches there. So anything under 2.5 inches, you got a good shot at cutting straight. As you can see, it's the M12 platform. The handle is very similar to the 3/8 stubby impact driver or impact wrench, if you've used that before. All in all, very well balanced, fits good in the hand. You can run it solo. It's got a safety, basically a safety lock here. You have to keep depressed, but once it's in, it stays in when you've got your finger on the trigger, which is a nice feature. If you want to use both hands, you can kind of put your other hand up here. It works well enough, whether or not that's the intended purpose. So, in terms of performance, let's see if you can see that. Hopefully you can read that clearly. But basically, you've got up to 570 square feet per minute. Obviously, it runs on the M12 platform. I already said that. Let's see. I mentioned that round stock, you can do 2.5 inches there. Obviously, rectangular stock would be the same deal. Recommended operating temperature, 0 to 125 degrees Fahrenheit, so don't operate this in a sauna. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, if you see use for this, pick one up. It's a nice tool, feels great in the hand, nice design, nice operation, very smooth. Time will tell how well it holds up, but it's a Milwaukee, so hopes are high. Thanks for watching.